If you are looking to add the Avalanche network to your MetaMask so you can deep dive into the AVAX ecosystem, we're going to go over it in this video. It's going to be quick, short and easy because believe me, it is so much easier than you think. So let's dive right in. You're going to want to obviously load up MetaMask, have MetaMask installed. If you're not sure on how to do this, please just go and check out one of my previous YouTube videos on setting up a MetaMask wallet, or just reach out and Google it. It's a free extension and it is your best tool for the Ethereum network, Avalanche network and Binance Smart Chain network for using crypto, transferring, buying things, whatever you guys want to do with it. Now, obviously, if you're watching this, you probably know what Avalanche is. Definitely the best blockchain ecosystem out there. Not biased at all, but this little video is just going to be how to add it to MetaMask. So the Avalanche network has insane low cost and blazingly fast transactions, as you guys can see on the website. I don't need to sit here and be a website reader, but quite simply, all that you guys are going to do once you've installed your MetaMask browser wallet, you're going to want to go to the little fox icon in the top right hand corner. Now, for the sake of this video, I already have an Avalanche network set up, but this is what you're going to want to do. You are most likely already going to be on the Ethereum network when you log into your MetaMask. So to get to other mainnets, you're going to click the Ethereum mainnet at the top. You're going to scroll down, and to add the Avalanche network like I have it here, you're going to click Custom RPC. Now, you're going to be presented with this, and although it might be confusing at first, if this is the first time you're ever adding something to MetaMask in terms of another mainnet and another network, you can very simply Google, how do I set up MetaMask with Avalanche, and it's going to bring you up a nice website. I'm going to link this in the description of the video if you guys want to check this out yourself, but this is just an easy visual learner's tutorial and guide. So you're going to be presented with this page. You're going to scroll down, you're going to see a visualized representation here where you add the custom RPC, and this right here is the important information that you need to know. So once again, you're going to go over to the Fox just here. You're going to copy this RPC URL. That's important. You just need to copy that. It's the only thing you need to have open. The rest we can visually copy. Now, you're going to go over to the Ethereum mainnet again. You're going to go to custom RPC. You're going to quite simply, in the new RPC URL, paste. Now, that is obviously the Avalanche network. In the network name, you are going to literally want to type out Avalanche network. After that, you're going to get the hang of this. You're going to type in the chain ID presented over here, 43114. Now, quick side note, if you click off of this, the MetaMask little pop-up window that you've got, it's going to go away and you're going to have to write this all over again, which is why I said just paste the important part, which is the RPC URL, and then you can write in the rest yourself. The currency symbol, this is quite important, but not overly important. If you don't write AVAX in here, it's going to come up with ETH as your sort of your network native token. So make sure you just type in the currency symbol as AVAX. You're then going to go and click save. And what you're going to be presented with is something that looks like this. So that is pretty much as simple as it gets. You're going to be presented with 0 AVAX in your wallet. If, like I said, you accidentally don't type in your symbol, this is going to say 0 ETH, even though you are on the Avalanche network. So just make sure to write AVAX in there. Just a little bit of troubleshooting and information for you guys. If you do that and you think what's wrong, that is your issue. You can just quite simply change to the Ethereum mainnet, go and hover over Avalanche, click the X, delete it, and add the RPC again. And when you come back and you type in the word AVAX, this time it will look like this. Of course, when using it, I will be making another video on how to bridge Ethereum over to Avalanche, but that is quite simple. You want to send some Ethereum into the bridge. It will come out as wrapped Ethereum, and you can go to websites like Trader Joe, which I will link in the description, the biggest swap decentralized exchange, just like Uniswap on the Ethereum network. And you're going to want to obviously transfer and trade your wrapped Ethereum for AVAX. And it's as simple as that. You swap it straight over and you're going to have AVAX. Now, one thing to troubleshoot and bear in mind, I will go into bridging and adding AVAX into your MetaMask wallet in another video. But just one thing to note on this video on setting it up, you will have 0 AVAX in there, and you're most likely going to need a centralized exchange, a CEX like Binance, Coinbase, CoinSpot, Crypto.com to send yourself AVAX into this wallet. Now, one extra note is that the wallet address on your Avalanche network will be whatever the account that you're logged into on MetaMask's wallet address. It will be the same as your Ethereum network address. So if you're confused by that, don't worry, totally normal. You can use the same address across Ethereum, Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain, or any other custom RPC you add to MetaMask. Simple as that, boys and girls. And that brings us to the end of the video. If you have any extra questions, leave them in the comments and I will be sure to answer them. If you have any more tutorial requests, please let me know. These are really simple and easy for me to make, but hopefully they help a lot of people out. And that is it for today, boys and girls. Go ahead, add Avalanche to your network, and I will be uploading another video shortly on how to bridge Avalanche. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, of course, like I've already said, leave a comment, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.